Hello and welcome to Enjo CRM. We will be showing you how to set up an admin account. An admin is a person who is leading the team of users. Admin can create users, configure and customize the CRM and can get the reporting of all the users under him. So first of all, log on to crm.intjo.com. On the right hand side, you will see register now option. Enter the email ID that you want to use as admin, username, enter the password, reconfirm the password and enter the contents of the image. And hit register. After hitting the register, you will come to activation page. Go to your email for activation code. Copy this code and paste it in your activation code. Hit activate. Now your admin account is activated. Now log on to your admin account. And select the option admin and hit login. This is your admin window. On the home page, you will see various graphs according to the leads received by your users. As you've just created this account, so this space is empty, click on user option. From this option you can add users as per your requirement. Like I'm gonna add a user named Dan. You can also add the description like the user's address, his phone number and hit submit. You can create a n number of users as per your requirement. By clicking on action, you can edit or delete the user or change the password or block the user. This is change user password. This is change user name and this is block unblock user. Now go to product. You can add product heads here. Let's suppose your company deals in computer hardware, then you can add product heads like laptop, monitor, RAM, hard disk, etc. Below is the option for rename or deleting a product. Here I'm gonna add laptop as product name and hit submit. Now click on type. Here you can add types to product heads. For example, product is laptop and in type you can add model number like Samsung A101 and hit submit. Here also you can add delete types as per your requirement. Now click on status. Every inquiry travels from various stages before it is finalized. These stages are called status. Here you can create status as per the requirement of your company. Example of status are like inquiry received, follow up, meeting done, deal closed, not interested, and so on. You can also rename or delete the status. Now click on account type. Every lead comes from a source, so it can be advertisement, direct marketing, or anything else. The main heads from where you get leads are called account types. Example, internet advertisement, print media, television, etc. Google or Yahoo under internet advertisement is the account name that your users will create. Here you will just create account types only. After account type, you can click on lead form. This is the form from that your users will be see when they will go for submitting a lead to the CRM. You can add various fields as per requirement. You can also rename, delete fields. Below you can see the preview of lead form. Like you can add configuration in case of laptops. This is the preview of lead form. Now go to account form. Every lead comes from a source or account. This is the form that your user will see when they will create new account to CRM. You can add fields accordingly or rename or delete. Below you can see a preview of account form. You can add account form like suppose you are selling laptops by internet and advertisements through newspapers like New York Times and Washington Post. You have to create form that your user will submit at the time of inquiry. This is the preview of account form. Now click on reports. You can get various reports from user report or product report options by applying various filters. Like you can select your user and report from till and you can hit submit. Now you can use settings option. This includes time zone, password settings, sharing settings, widgets and buy. In the time zone you can select time zone and hit change. And in password settings you can rename your password and delete the previous password, etc. Now sharing settings. You can adjust the sharing of leads and accounts among users created by you. For complete sharing, turn on all options on, otherwise off. Here you can see lead search sharing. Turn off for complete privacy. If the sharing option is on, then users can find the leads of other users in search option, but he will not be able to visit the profiles of the lead. If this sharing option is off, then in any kind of lead search he will be just finding his own leads only. Now in case of lead profile sharing, if this feature is on, then users can see the profiles of leads of other users and can add comments, but they cannot change any of the lead information. From here you can select a user, and from here you can on or off the sharing. In leads payment information sharing, for complete privacy you can turn it off, but if the sharing is on, then users can see the payment details attached to deals of other users, but they cannot edit anything. In account search sharing, turn off for complete privacy. If the sharing is on, then users can see the accounts created by other users, but they cannot edit anything. In account profile sharing, if this sharing is on, then users can see the profile of accounts created by other users and can add comments, but they cannot edit anything. Now the last we have account linked with lead sharing. Turn off for complete privacy. If the sharing option is on, then user can find the leads connected with accounts of other users. He can even visit the lead profiles and can post comments, but he cannot edit or delete anything. You can use widgets. You can get code for free lead capturing from your website. This widget will automatically get leads from user website and transfer them to your CRM system. You can choose a user like Jane and hit get code. You can paste this code on your website from where you want to display this widget, and enquiries will be directly received by Jane. This is the preview. Now by using buy option, you can choose suitable plans of Intego CRM for yourself. Like we have two plans, like standard plans and enterprise plans. Standard plans is used where you are having up to 10 users. Then this is the most economical plan where you can create up to 10 users, and cost is even below $2 per user per month. As you can see, $20 are charged for 1 month for up to 10 users, and $110 is charged for 6 months for 10 users, and $200 are charged for 1 year for up to 10 users. And in case of enterprise plans, if you are having user more than 10, then this is the best plan for you. This plan gives you the freedom to choose the number of users and pay accordingly. $5 per user per month is charged, and we have special discounts like 5% on 6 months sign up and 10% on 1 year sign up. Thank you.